family of three. We hustle and grit every day. We always lit. It's nothing to it. We get these chips and we look super fly and we have a good time and we the hustle family.
We the hustle family.
We the hustle family.
We the hustle family. Hey y'all, so this is for my ladies. So I went to go get an oil change and they said my air filter and my air cabin filter needs change. But you know they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg. So I've changed my air cabin filter before, but I never changed my air filter, engine air filter. But that's okay. It can't be too hard. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, is show y'all, and this is really pretty much for my ladies, because you know us ladies don't be knowing too much about these cars. But any area that we can save a penny when it comes to the maintenance on our cars, that's what we gonna do. Okay, so we gonna get into it. We're gonna go ahead and change the air cabin filter. I have a Hyundai Sonata 2016. This is the brand that I am using, which is a good brand for my air cabin cabin air filter. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so this is the glove department. So you're gonna open the glove department, and just a reminder, I got a Hyundai Sonata 2016. So I don't know about no other cars. Y'all gonna have to do y'all research on any other car, but this is for my Hyundai girlies. Okay, so this one I took it off from last time. I think I lost it, but anyway, let's get into it. You want to take this here and you want to go ahead and take it off, screw it off, whatever. So you see that? We're gonna go ahead and get that replaced. Okay, so as you can see, this is the brand new air cabin filter. Airflow. Hold on. So yeah, as you can see here, this is the new air cabin filter, and on the side, these arrows indicates that this side needs to be upward. Okay, so as I was saying, these arrows indicates that this side needs to be upwards. Not this side. Don't put it on this side, ladies, but this side. And then you're going to go ahead and push it right on in there. Boom, boom, bow. Boom, boom, bow. You see? Y'all see it? Okay, so now we're going to get into it. And we got to put the puzzle back together. Okay. So we are going to put it back together here. Okay, so just make sure when we putting it in, ladies, we making sure we putting it in right. Good. And making sure it's in that hole. So now we did that. So we're going to come over here to this side. And we got to make sure that this indicator right here is put back on. And so now you can no longer see the cabin. Yes, that is how you change an air cabin filter, period. We're going to go ahead and change the engine filter. So let's get it. Okay, and this is the engine filter. Same brand. It's just for the engine filter. We're going to go ahead and get that swapped out. Okay, so as y'all can see, it's self-explanatory. It says the air filter, ladies. Just for the ladies, because y'all men, y'all should already know. I ain't trying to break my nail. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up, okay? Get a little dirty. We can wash our hands, ladies. See, it's pull. I don't want to break my nail, so I'll give me. Hold on. So we're gonna pull it on now. Pull it on now. Pull it on now. Let me see, because I think these people is full of shit. Oh, yeah. It's very dirty. So as y'all can see, that needs changed. So what we're going to do now bring new booty in. We're gonna go ahead and bring new booty in. I got my son hold my thing. So as y'all can see, it's the same thing. We're gonna put it in how we took it out. So when you pulled it out, this side was up. We're gonna do the same thing. Gonna push that bad boy up in there. Or no, hold on. I think we put it on wrong. Hold on, we put it in wrong, y'all. Hold on. We gonna make mistakes. It's this part. It needs to be on this side. See, this one says pull, but this one don't. But still, it's the same thing. You're gonna go ahead, put that bump. See, bump. And then we gonna go ahead and put this bad boy back. Bamp, shit. And we got rid of that dirty boy, okay? Period. And that's how you change the engine air filter. So just to recap, ladies, we changed the air cabin filter and the engine filter, air filter. This here is an air cabin filter, which was, I guess very dirty. And this one is the engine air filter. So yeah. As y'all can see, or whatever, they said I need to replace, but they was gonna charge me an arm and a leg, and I wasn't playing with them people. So I'm for the ladies saving every penny, because they don't, these men and these mechanics don't be thinking we know how to do nothing. But just know, I just put y'all on. So all my Hyundai Sonatas, I'm pretty sure no matter what year, it shouldn't be too much of a difference when it comes to changing these. But this is definitely a good brand. It's not the cheapest, it's in the middle, and it is a good brand. Definitely worth spending the dollar spent on it. Not too much, and you're not spending too less, because you pay for what you get. But definitely a good brand, I recommend. Yes, thanks for watching. I hope I was able to give you ladies some gems about these cars, you feel me? Because in this day and age, we got to know the basic, at least the basics, you know what I'm saying? It's okay for us not to know in depth with the cars, because that ain't our job, but we at least need to know the basics. So I hope that was some gems that you ladies can use, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching. We the Hustle Family.
We the Hustle Family.